Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Did you see our video from a couple months ago where we did one of the first Tron Treatment accents to a Cybertruck? That one was really cool and you should check it out. It was a satin black PPF wrap with Tron lines applied to it. But today I want to share with you another variation. This customer actually did not want to do a color change wrap, but did want to go ahead and protect their Cybertruck and also go ahead and have that Tron treatment. What we did first was we went ahead and we wrapped the stainless steel Cybertruck panels using TMaxx satin clear PPF. Paint protection film, satin finish for almost a stealth-like appearance. We've done it before, and what that does is that it, first of all, kind of mutes out the stainless steel. It gives it more of that look that you really associate with a Cybertruck. And then, of course, no more fingerprint issues and very easy cleanup, and protects the stainless steel because it is PPF. So that was the first step. Then we went ahead and we applied the Tron lines. Now, this is a very specific type of film, as you could see. This has a reflective nature to it. It's something that you see in emergency response vehicles and many other type of safety vehicles in that category. This film is available by the roll, and there are some shops out there and people that you maybe have seen went ahead and just kind of like applied it themselves. It kind of goes panel over panel or line over line when it meets up and at the points like you see right over here at the front fender or in the rear. At T-sportline, we take things to another level. We went ahead, we've measured it all out meticulously, and we plotted out on our machines. And now, as you can see, we have this plotted Tron treatment designed especially for the Cybertruck. So focusing on, again, like this whole edge right here, if you take a look, the film is not overlapping, which won't look very good and could also have an issue with lifting very easily. So everything's been plotted out. We have highlighted all the design elements of the Cybertruck using this reflective film, as you can see throughout the whole vehicle. Now, in the daytime, when the sun hits it a little bit, or even on a cloudy day like today, from certain angles, you're going to notice the reflective Tron lines are going to do their thing and give you that Tron appearance, which is super cool. The fact that they are white on a stainless steel vehicle also gives you another visual positive perspective. And at nighttime, it's a completely different appearance because you've got natural dark lighting, but you've got street lights and car lights hitting it. And that's what this looks like when you're in that environment. So a Tron treatment could be enjoyed daytime and nighttime. Now let's talk about some of the other mods on this vehicle. 22-inch CT7 fully forged wheels finished in satin black was the choice by this customer, using the Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires, a fabulous 22-inch tire designed to fit perfectly on the Cybertruck. That's a great look. And then our very popular light bar. This light bar is easy to install, easy to remove. Unlike the original Tesla one, it actually does not get installed on top of your windshield for a permanent install. This one actually uses the factory roof mounts up here and the factory power, so you actually control the light bar from the touchscreen in your Cybertruck, just like the original one from Tesla. Thank you, Cybertruck fans, for watching. If you love our content and you would like to see so much more of it, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos coming your way soon.